Do it with this hand. Yes. Ah! Okay. Do you know what's hard? That you film a whole video and after you're done, or you think you're done filming, you realize that you didn't film, that you didn't record. Okay guys, so I don't know why I said that while I was filming, because when editing this video I just realized that I didn't have a audio while I did my intro, so I'm pissed. But yeah, I'm going to do this voiceover. So hey guys, I'm Cleans, and you guys, in this video I am going to do my makeup using these long ass, I'm just going to wear these long ass nails that I did in my previous video. I'm going to do my makeup, you guys. So go and pick some popcorn to enjoy this and laugh with me. But you guys, don't forget to watch till the end, because you just have to see me struggling. So let's get right into it. I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm done doing these nails. Now I want to try to put some makeup on with these nails. I only have one hand because sis, this took me this took me a while, so I'm only doing one hand. So yeah, I want to try to put some makeup on. I'm just sorry, just let me clean my mirror. Oh my god. I want to put some makeup on to do my thumbnail with these nails, so I can show you guys how I'm going to struggle doing a little bit of makeup, just a little bit. And I'm going to do too much, you guys. I'm not going to do too much. A little bit of foundation, my eyebrows, and I'm just going to apply some foundation on, especially underneath my eyes, because I'm tired AF. You're going to let me do it with this hand. Yes, let me do it with this hand, because otherwise it doesn't count, obviously. So, oh wow, oh my god, you guys, underneath, oh my god. And it's not the hand that I use normally, so I'm already struggling. And I have these nails, goddamn nails. Okay, if you see my thumbnail and you think why does she look so crusty and patchy, well, just click on the video to watch why. Okay, look, I'm just looking like an orange. Wow. But you know, I'm doing this for you guys. I'm just doing this for you guys. This is going to be a long video, because I have the tutorial how I do these nails, and now I have a tutorial on my patchy makeup. I'm happy that I already had a little bit of lashes left. Last I had my long nails, they were stilettos. I just did it for a video, and you guys, I was sleeping and I didn't know what I did, but I just poked through my eye and I really thought I was getting legally blind. Oh wow, no, I didn't expect that. Everything I'm using is just crusty. I'm crusty. So don't worry, my beauty blender is crusty, the one that I'm going to use, because you guys, I cannot search for any clean beauty blender right now with these nails, okay? I wish I did these nails on my hand, on my dominant hand, because now I'm doing my makeup with my non-dominant hand and with long nails.
So it's not my best, but I just really hope that I can make a decent photo for the thumbnail.
I don't know, like what? I just don't know. Just let me focus, okay? Just let me focus. Okay, so I don't think this is the proper way to hold a beauty blender. Yeah. Oh my god. No, it's not looking good. Oh my god, you guys. Do you see that? No. No, I have to fix it. I have to fix this. Let me just put a darker foundation on to see if I can like fix things a little bit.
Maybe I'm gonna fix it with this darker foundation. And if you want to know what brand of foundation foundation I use NARS. This isn't sponsored, you guys. This isn't sponsored. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm using NARS. And my forehead is also looking so ashy.
Wow, no, no. Let me just put a little bit powder all over my face. I can't find my powder. Oh, here it is in my face.
And yes, I'm using the same because, no, I use the same word because at the moment I just can't handle myself, neither these nails or my face. So, I'm using the same, okay? I'm just using the same. And I don't even know if this works.
I'm wondering how I'm going to do my eyebrows. I really am wondering. But I just want to try to put on eyeliner. I just want to try things. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I cannot do this with that hand. I'm sorry, you guys. I think I'm just looking worse than I did before. Okay, so I just fixed the eyebrows because I couldn't fix that with this hand. Now I'm going to the next part. I'm just going to do a little bit of blush. I'm not going to do too much, you guys. I'm not going to do too much. I said it like 15 minutes ago too. So let me just shut up. To give the face a little bit color. A little bit color.
I'm so happy I didn't do both hands. I'm so happy. Because otherwise, I just needed a man to help me or something.
Let me just put a little bit, just a little bit of eyeshadow. Okay, just a little bit of eyeshadow. A little bit. So I'm going to use some eyeshadow. How I'm gonna pick this up. Okay, so I'm going to do just a little bit of brown shimmer. A little bit of brown shimmer in the crease, or should I do it? Oh, I'm going to do it all over my lips.
You guys, I'm going to do this all over my lips.
This is not the best, but I actually think it's getting somewhere.
So I'm actually also enjoying to talk to you guys and do this video. And
Oh! Do you see that shimmer?
I see it, oh my god. Yeah, actually, it was hard that you film a whole video and after you're done, what you think you're done filming, you realize that you didn't film, that you didn't record. You guys, you know how to feel, you don't want to know how to feel.
Should I do eyeliner? I'm gonna do a liner. I'm so scared to mess this up because I don't think I can do it with my non-dominant hand, but you know, let me just hold it right here. Oh, okay. I see you. I actually don't see you, but okay. Woo! Okay. So I see you. Oh. I'm sorry that the quality is poor of this video, but I'm filming on my phone. So you know why. the quality isn't camera quality. So you guys, I just I just don't think this wing is the best, but we are going to try the other one. Ah! Fix that. Cheating. How do people do that? Do people actually do it for a living? Do they have their nails this long and they live with their nails like this? Because I do nails, but I couldn't live with these nails like this. I love nails, but uh,
So let me just get the excess banana powder out of, what did I say? I don't know. Oh, I didn't know that before. Right now.
I just think I look green, so I need to use a little bit of bronzer. I think I'm just going to use a little bit of this powder, this contour palette that I have, to bring a little bit of color in my face, because I just look pale right now. And I'm just going to do it random, just random, just like this, random. It's not the best, but I mean, with these, just going to put a little bit of concealer, I mean highlighter. Do you see that? Oh! Lip gloss. I have a little bit of this one. And I want to eat chips. They're on my floor. Nah, nah. Literally one. Okay. I'm done. Hey, doe eens hier. Doe eens hier, joh. Okay, guys, so this is the final result. I'm going to grab my camera to let you guys see in better quality the final result. Okay, just 1 minute. So yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. This is the final result. I really hope you liked this video. I'm so happy that I did this video, because I had a lot of fun doing this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would help my channel a lot. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.